Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the classifications of commerce. The commerce can be classified into two parts, that is trade and acts through trade. The first, what is trade? Trade is an integral part of commerce. It refers to buy and selling of goods and services. Or trade segment is link between the manufacturer and the consumer. Traders as provide the bring together manufacturer and the consumer. In the absence of the trade and manufacturer will have to search for the consumer, and the consumer will have to search for the manufacturer. So the trade can be classified into two types, that is internal trade and external trade. First, what is internal trade? Internal trade refers to buying and selling of goods and services with the geographical boundary of a country. It is also known as home trade. Under the internal trade, goods and services are bought and sold in the home currency only. The internal trade are classified into the two types, first wholesale trade and second retail trade. The wholesale trade refers to buying and selling of goods and services in large quantity. The wholesaler buy goods directly from the manufacturer and sell these goods to the retailers. Generally, wholesaler is specialized in one line of product. He maintains large stock. He buy goods for the cash for manufacture and sell on credit to retailer. Larger amount of capital is required in wholesale trade. Next, retail trade. It refers to buying and selling of goods and services in small quantity, and the retailer buy goods from the wholesaler and seller these goods to the unlimited consumer. The retailer has to maintain a variety of goods. Next, external trade. It referred to buying and selling of goods service beyond the geographical limit of the country. It is also known as the trade between the two or more countries. In the external trade, the market is competitive, is very wide, and external trade enable the business to use of resources of their country in competitive way. The external trade involve completion of various rules and regulations such as licensing, custom clearance. External trade have the following type: export trade, import trade, and interport trade. So what is export? It refers to the sale of goods to a foreign country. The developing country like India increase export. It result to increase the foreign reserve. Import, it refers to buying of goods from one foreign countries, and import of technology capital goods increase the compared to the import of the consumer. And third is interport trade. It refers to the import of goods for the purpose of export. In interport, the goods are purchased from the foreign country but not for the consumption in home country, but for the selling these goods for the some other foreign countries. Next, aids to exercise to trade means the activity which help in smooth flow of trade is known as the aids to trade. These activities make buying and selling of goods more easy. These activities are known as service, together constitute service sector and trade sector of commerce. These help in removing the various hindrances of trade which arise in the production and distributions of goods. The first are transport and communications. Transport refer to movement of goods from one place to another's, and the productions take place at one place where these demand are different part of the country. Next, along with transport, communication also important service. Banking and finance institute provide the credit facilities. Insurance, business have to be bear various type of risks. Insurance provide protection from the some kind of risks. Next, warehousing. Usually this type of gap between the production and consumption. Goods are not consumed immediately when these are produced. Thank you.